Welcome everyone to the Things Around 8. Until recently, drones were seen as mere toys, normally used for filming. Over time, not only has its technology evolved, but its use has also changed completely. Currently, we can see drones of all sizes being used for deliveries and even surveillance. But perhaps the biggest leap in this technology, which has become mostly evident over the past 2 years, is its appearance on the battlefield. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any news. But perhaps the biggest leap in this technology, which has become mostly evident over the past 2 years, is its appearance on the battlefield. And in this sense, they became key players, enabling smaller and less powerful armies to be able to face nuclear powers. Drones pose a threat because they are cheap, portable, and easy to operate, but in the wrong hands they can cause great damage. Imagine a drone loaded with explosives flying over a crowded stadium or military base. The potential for chaos and destruction is enormous. And it's not just a theoretical possibility. Real incidents have already occurred, such as the drone attack on oil refineries in Saudi Arabia in 2019, which impacted half of the country's oil production. To combat these threats, the United States Army is developing innovative and unique ways to destroy enemy drones as soon as they are detected. One of the main innovations in this regard is the Dronebuster. The Dronebuster is an impressive device, similar to a sci-fi ray gun, but with a very real and serious purpose. This state-of-the-art device has an effective range that allows it to interrupt the drone's control frequency, forcing it to return to the operator, hover, land, or even fall out of the sky. It works even in low visibility conditions, using GPS signals to control drones. But the Dronebuster isn't the only tool in the US Army's arsenal. To combat drones in the air, weapons known as HPM, high-power microwave, and HL, high-energy laser, are used. These are non-lethal weapons that make drones crash rather than blow them up. The HPM projects a microwave beam at the drone, burning out its control systems and causing it to crash. The width of the HAMS dish allows it to target multiple drones at once, defending a larger portion of the sky. On the other hand, HL directs a narrow laser beam at the drone, melting its structure and causing structural failure. The HL is mounted on a Polaris ATV-type vehicle, while the HAPM is installed in a box similar to a shipping container, facilitating the transport of these weapons on the battlefield. But there's no point in having advanced weapons to neutralize drones if you don't have people capable of using them. Therefore, the United States Marine Corps has developed a unique way to deal with drone threats, testing in virtual reality. This advanced technology allows soldiers to use the Dronebuster tactically, simulating real situations and offering innovative solutions. Another practical example of this preparation is the use of the FIM-92 Stinger missiles by the 2nd Low Altitude Air Defense Battalion of the United States Marine Corps. During exercises, drones are launched into the air so Marines can practice identifying and destroying them. In addition to missiles, the battalion uses a variety of other weapons to combat unmanned aerial systems. However, one of the most efficient ways to shoot down a drone is with the use of missiles. But one of the biggest challenges in defending against drones may be detecting them. Unlike planes or helicopters, drones are small, fly low, and are difficult to capture by traditional radars. Plus, they can be launched from anywhere, even a moving car. To overcome this obstacle, the United States is investing heavily in radars specialized in detecting drones. These systems use advanced algorithms to distinguish drones from birds and other flying objects. Some even employ modern technologies like machine learning to continually improve their accuracy. In this sense, the Americans' main line of defense against drones is the Mobile Low Slow Small Unmanned Aircraft Integrated Defeat System, better known as MLIDS. This system is specifically designed for the United States Army and consists of 2 vehicles capable of traveling on all types of terrain. One of them is equipped with the 30mm XM914 cannon, while the other carries Sabre battlefield reconnaissance and surveillance equipment. The Sabre is comprised of multiple integrated sensors, including radars, thermal imaging and laser systems, providing precision fire targeting and reconnaissance capabilities. This combination allows soldiers to effectively detect, identify, track and destroy small drones. But anti-drone defense systems are not just useful on traditional battlefields. They can also be mounted on mobile platforms on land, ships, aircraft carriers at sea, and even in colder, snow-covered areas. The adaptability of these systems is crucial to ensuring safety in any environment. For example, the United States Army conducts extensive training in Arctic environments to ensure that soldiers know how to use anti-drone systems in any type of terrain. These exercises are vital in preparing soldiers for any situation they may face. As you can see, the key to the effectiveness of these systems is continuous training and constant innovation. Familiarity with technology and the ability to adapt it to different situations are essential for success in the field. Looking to the future, some experts predict that anti-drone defense will become as crucial as traditional air defense. A U.S. Navy officer once said, "Just as every warship today has air defenses, in the future every ship will have anti-drone defenses. It will just be another layer of protection that we consider essential." As drones become more sophisticated and affordable, the threat they pose will only grow. And in this sense, the United States is at the forefront. With continued investment in new technology and training, they are preparing to meet this challenge. From advanced radars to high-energy lasers, its military is developing an impressive arsenal to protect the country in this new era of aerial warfare. So the next time you see a drone in the sky, remember, there could be an anti-drone defense system on standby ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. We hope you enjoyed this analysis that we prepared with great dedication. And this is today's video. Thank you very much for watching the video. And now I invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so we'll see you more often, and so you'll be up to date with everything that's happening.